Hello designers, choosing between Catia and Rhino for product design, let's break it down fast. First up, we have Catia. Developed by Dassault Systems, it's a powerhouse for engineering heavy industries like aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. Catia excels in parametric modeling, handling complex assemblies, simulations, and product lifecycle management. Its advanced tools create precise, high-quality 3D models perfect for detailed engineering projects. But it's complex with a steep learning curve and can be pricey. Next, we have Rhino or Rhinoceros from Robert McNeil & Associates. It's a favorite for creative industries like architecture, jewelry, and product design. Rhino uses NURBS modeling for smooth, organic shapes, offering flexibility and precision. Its user-friendly interface and affordable licensing make it great for beginners and pros. Plugins like Grasshopper add parametric design power, but it's less suited for large-scale engineering. So, how do they stack up? Catia shines in precision engineering, complex assemblies, and industries needing simulations like aerospace. It's ideal for large teams but demands expertise, and Rhino is perfect for creative, freeform designs in architecture or fashion, with an easier learning curve and a lower cost. If you're engineering a jet, go Catia. Designing a sleek product or building, Rhino's your pick. In short, Catia's for engineering precision and Rhino's for creative freedom. Choose based on your project's needs and let us know which one's your vibe in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.